I just can't give it up. Yeah, yeah. Yes sir, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Denali, aka Don Squally, and in today's video, man, we are doing what I'm going to call the first major mod to the Tundra. Now, we did install the LED headlights, just the bulbs, but that wasn't too serious of a mod. That was just to give the truck a bit more of a modern look and also help me when I'm driving to and from work when it's dark out. But what I want to do in today's video is install some side steps on this thing. Now, you guys know me. I'm used to driving lowered cars. I've been driving lowered cars for like pretty much the last 10 years. Even my Impala was lowered. And to be honest, this truck life right here, it's a struggle for a guy like me. You know, your boy's getting a little thick in the waist and stuff like that. So I think side steps are going to be a good addition, not only for myself, but also, you know, other people that I'm going to be driving around with. So what I ended up getting, let me just go ahead and grab the box. So what I ended up getting was these iBoard side steps. And I got these off of Amazon for right around 250 bucks. I think it was like 250 shipped, taxes all in and everything like that. So they were relatively cheap. Now these ones are the black plastic, because I'm going to be going with like kind of a blacked out theme, like the chrome round side steps didn't really work for me. And then I saw the ones that just kind of come out in one spot. But I do personally like the functionality and the look of the black ones that just run right along the side of the truck. So I guess I'm going to do a quick unboxing here. I'm hoping I don't have to drill any holes to install these, but I just looked at the frame and there's a good chance that I might have to, but we'll see. So just got the box open, so there's our steps right there. I actually really like the look of these with just the ribs in them. Nice, plain, just normal side steps. They actually remind me a lot of the side steps that I have on a lot of our work trucks where I work. And driving around in those every day, you kind of get used to the side steps. So having to haul myself into this truck every single time I'm getting in and out of it is kind of a chore. So we definitely have the hardware. These are going to be our mounting brackets. So I'm going to have to double check exactly where these mount up to, but yeah, hopefully I won't have to drill any holes. So I'm going to go ahead, grab the instructions, get under the truck with the tools and everything that I need. Hopefully this is a quick, easy install, man. I'm pretty excited for this. Let's get it. Okay, so I got the front bracket all mounted up. So from what I'm reading in the directions, there's 3 sets of holes. It says here you're going to use the first, second, and fourth set of holes. So I guess there's 2 at the back that I'm going to have to skip over. So I'm going to go ahead. I mean, everything's going relatively smoothly. I don't have any wood to knock on, but yeah, I'm going to just motor along here, and then once I get the 2 brackets on, I'm going to go ahead and mount the actual steps on here. Okay, so I got all 3 brackets on. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is throw the side step on. Comes with these little bolts here that slide into these tracks at the bottom, so you can line it up and put it where you want. So I'm pretty happy so far. Everything's going relatively smooth, so I'm going to continue on with this, let you guys know when I get the first step on. Okay, so I've got my brackets all tightened up. Now I just have the little slider bolts right here. They install down here, and then you slide them down just to where you need them there. So now I'm just going to decide exactly how far out I want these to be. I think what I'll probably end up doing is starting with them in, and then if I get a wider set of tires, I can always loosen the brackets and then pull them out a little bit. But I think in probably going to give us the best, sleekest look there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, throw the nuts with the washers on there, tighten this side up, and we're going to get started on the other side. Alrighty, so first side step is on. Positioned it pretty much equal, just with the line in the back where the bed starts. Oh, let me tell you, that is just a dream to get in and out of now. Don't have to drag my ass on and off of the seat and jump up, pulling myself up. Now, I don't know how side steps are viewed in the truck community, but for me, especially since I'm going to be doing the 3-inch lift on the front, putting on that leveling kit, these side steps here, definitely a must. And it's a 2-wheel drive truck, so the amount of ground clearance that I'm losing, I don't think is really going to be that serious. So yeah, about, I don't know, 45 minutes in, I'm going to go grab myself another beer. We're going to get those passenger side ones on, man, but I'm probably going to skip over that process. I'll get back to you guys when both sides are on. Yeah, and there we have it. The second side is on. Now, to be honest, the second side went a lot quicker than the first side did. I ended up doing the second side in about 20 minutes, whereas the first side took me about 45. But once you do one side, it's pretty easy. You learn the little tricks and everything like that. So, as you can see, the Tundra officially has side steps. Now, personally, I think they look a little strange the way they stick out about an inch past the tire. But I know once I get a nice wide tire, these should look relatively decent. Now, honestly, just from getting on top of them, like, when you step on it, the whole truck moves. Now, the only thing I really don't like that much is because it's black, you can see the footprints quite a bit. Yeah, but I'm not even that mad about that because overall, for the money, they definitely look good. Now, I'm not worried too much about ground clearance because I'm actually going to be putting, probably in the next video or the next video after that, I'm going to be putting an F350 front lip on this thing. Now, that's about 5 inches, so it should look pretty dope. I also bought like a touchscreen for it, so look forward to that. For all you new Tundra subscribers, hopefully this kind of goes into the algorithm of Tundra vloggers. Welcome to the channel, man. It should be a good run. I'm hoping to have a lot of trouble-free kilometers out of this thing. But with that being said, that's pretty much it, man. So, you guys let me know what you think of these side steps. Are side steps in the truck community frowned upon? I'm not really sure. I didn't really look into that. But either way, I'm not too worried about it. I'm just trying to make this truck as functional and as enjoyable to drive as possible. But I'm thinking that's pretty much it, man. So with that being said, I am your boy Denali, a.k.a. Don Squally. We're going to catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.